Hey guys, my name is Evan, and today I'm going to be showing you what Impact Mirror EQ can have to your mix and how it can let some elements of your mix breathe more by removing frequency content from the rest of the tracks. So today we're going to be working on a track that sounds like that. Now here I got two tracks, the first of which is a regular piano track that sounds like that. And a second track which has a reverse reverb and kind of complements the first track. And this is how it sounds. Now I've done some edits there, so it can provide some movement to the track and some fills. So what we can see here from the whole mix is that the piano sounds kind of dull, and that's because the original piano track and the reverse track occupy the same frequency content, the same frequency range. So what we want to do is remove some of these frequencies from the first track in order to make the second one more apparent and more clear. So essentially what I want to do is remove some of the bass frequencies of the fill track in order for the original piano to be heard more clearly, and do the reverse of that, which is remove some of the high frequencies of the original piano to make the fill track sound more apparent. So the first thing I want to do is drag an EQ weight onto the fill track and try to fiddle around with the knob just to see at what point do we have a satisfying result. So let's do that. Now we see that we have cut at around 90 Hertz, 90 to 1K, which is a satisfying point that has an apparent result on our track. Now, just to go the second one and do the exact opposite, we'll drag an EQ weight, make a high cut filter, and try to see where that goes. So. So by cutting at around the same region, you make sure that you don't leave any frequency content out of the mix, and that the two tracks can work together, can blend together quite nicely. So if we hear them together. Oops. There you go. And in the entire mix. Now it is clear that both tracks are more apparent, and by removing some of the frequencies from one track, you are letting the other breathe, and it makes the sound and the mix sound brighter. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found the lesson useful, and I will be glad to read your reviews.